Yeah, thanks for your interest. Good morning. So we started out of the University of Colorado based on research in miniaturizing weather satellites and have been in business for about 11 years now. So we're a small business. We do a lot of work with the government, military, and civil agency partners. Our focus is on environmental remote sensing technology, so that includes payload development for satellite and other platforms, as well as a lot of the modeling and weather forecasting and derived products come from this type of missions. Dr. Richard Delf leads our product team, so we can share a bit more about the project.
Yes, so this is the Spectrum project that we're talking about here at the Navy Showcase. So really we're aiming to transition our satellite data that we're generating on orbit into useful projects or useful forecast data. And one of the foundational aspects of transitioning data from observations to a forecast is radius transfer modeling. It's kind of little known, but it's super important to the whole process. The challenge is that a lot of the kind of programs and the software that's associated with that is deprecated, it's old, it's challenging to work with, challenging to install, and so the Spectrum project aims to essentially package those software packages up and make them easily accessible to users. So primarily within the Navy sort of use case, that's working on data assimilation for operational forecasts. But we see there's been a host of applications across both academia and into industry. We're looking at new sensor design. We're looking at developing new retrievals, and there's a whole load of applications primarily on the scientific side. So what this project is looking to do is just package it up and make it easy to access. So here at the STP showcase, we're just interested in meeting more people on the meteorology side and understanding more of the use cases. So trying to get some technical feedback as well, what would be useful, and also talking to end users who would be interested in software. So that's the Spectrum project.
We're grateful for the opportunity. The SCP program has been a wonderful experience. A lot of great content, a lot of great people, mentorship, the market research data was really helpful. Just generally having this mindset of we don't want to just develop a prototype. We want to think really hard about how we make this useful for the long term. So we're investing upfront, not just in the technical development, but in the whole commercialization strategy. How do we bring this to market? Who is the customer? What is the business model? How should it be packaged? Is it a subscription or a site license or on-demand capability? And there's all sorts of different use cases. And so this is a chance to hear firsthand from what people are really experiencing in the real world, so that when we're developing the product, we have that customer feedback engaged in the whole development cycle, not just, we built the prototype, what do you think? There's a continuous engagement, and SCP is teaching and supporting a lot of those type of activities on sort of the right brain side of it, the human elements. How do we actually connect with our customer and develop the thing that they actually need, not just the thing that we think they want? We're glad to be here. Thanks.